gonna say hey to the vlog. Just say hi. 170. Let me look at it one more time. I gotta make sure because I'm not coming back. Well, I guess you can fluff it still. I was worried about fluffing it. Okay, alright, this is the tree. Thumbnail. That's how they do it, girl.
This is fun, to be honest.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I'll hire you now.
Yeah, I would do
You
it.
do it for a vlogger. I just need to do stuff, honestly. That's the thing. I really want to get out there. Whatever. I don't want to just... That's what we got here. Oh, stop it. Can you see some? No. Cheese in there. Big bowl.
What color orange is? Rose gold?
I want to get some rose gold. Now that the tree is this much white, I need to bring some color on it.
Oh, white.
This video, come on. What do you think Christmas is in 3 months? I barely got anything.
I think because of COVID, they excited to finally be able to do more. So they went early, all out.
$100. I need to go back to Hobby Lobby. Everything's 50% off.
I think of Harry Potter.
Yeah,
The birds that fly.
this is like so cheap made.
They can make one now. Nothing but
What
nothing
you
$10.
Oh, $12?
Oh,
$12 for what? I could have made that at Dollar Tree. Right there. I need to find this.
Hungry for more delicious finds?
This is pretty. How much is one meal? $2.99. Oh, not red though. It's a blood red. That's why. That's a Kool-Aid. Look at the details. Is it focused?
Yeah.
That's cute. The what?
The black version?
Black version?
Yeah.
Of what? This song?
Yeah.
Any expression. Cute. Oh, they're so cute.
yeah.
Why can't they sell them in a whole pack? That'd be cute. That's what I'm getting too. The back of the tree ain't getting nothing. Everything going in front. That is too cute. That is something special. I'm just gonna take 2. Oh my gosh.
Dude.
Oh, look at that. That's cute. That is cute. A little texture to your thing.
You know what that makes me want to do? A candy apple thing.
That does. That's exactly what it reminded me of. Candy apple vibes. Look at these things. These things are horrible quality this year.
It's coming off on this side.
Almost everything is coming off. That makes no sense. If you put it in the right area. Just give me church.
Like,
Yeah. Leggings that. Oh, got him job.
what is that guard?
Come with job. That's
Sunday lang ko sa
Oh, so he's stuck in the corner. That is crazy. It's so sad that people's fascination with like
These jobs.
like evil stuff. Like that's weird. Like,
Which better have my candy?
Wait, what is?
Which better have my candy?
It's like why get fascinated by people? And you will find okay. Jesus is the main line. Ask and it will be given. Put these in the front.
Knocking.
They didn't leave in the front of the store. Look at that. Put them that way. Clean linen hand soap. What's the brand? $5. They can got sold here. Yes, girl. Yeah, look at you, vlogger. Okay, G.
This is giving slavery.
No, seriously.
Elijah, what is it giving?
Like, what the hell you doing cutting in your house? Like this?
Yeah, that's. Why do you do that?
Why do you
How is it
selling this?
decorative,
I
bro?
don't get how you decorate this, bro.
I can't even believe that cotton grows like that on the stem. That's kind of weird. The monster leaves. Wow, these are 99 cents. 10 minutes left of footage. It tells you the time. Well, Harry started. Oh, these are so cute. Look at that. I could have made this though. $4? Well, it would probably take $4 to get all the material. This is cute though. Little pop. Wow, these things are cheaply made. Dang, everything is so cheaply made. I don't want to get any more glass. Dang, this guy is expensive. $50. Look at this. This thing's $50. Are you kidding? I can go make a diar and cut it in circle. Minus John diar. Cut it. $50? That's the whole bed cover. Oh my gosh.
If you can. Whoosh, whoosh.
The girl said whoosh. Yeah. It went though. It's not bad, right? I don't know. It's reversible. I don't think I would ever use a gold tap, truthfully. But it's nice to know. Not for no diar. I promise you I can make my mom make one right now. And she'll charge me $5. I'm serious. That's a lot of money for.
Sure, especially if
Something
you
that's
find
gonna
the
be on the
floor.
No.
Especially if you find the
Yeah.
floor for it.
Wait. How the heck? Would you put us on top of your tree? A bird.
No.
Under 40? Oh my god. They didn't bring that thing down under 10. Under 40. This is nice though. It's big. Look at this girl backed up to get that thing. Come here, let me show you something. Show me. Look at under it. Just look at it.
I'm trying to figure out what you're doing.
She was trying to put it on your head.
Make you a gnome. A little gnome girl. See what I'm saying? Look at how cheap these things are. That's crazy. And then they're not selling them for cheap. I'm going to Dollar Store tomorrow. Yeah, you like Dumbledore. Who?
Dumbledore.
Harry Potter. But
Ew.
I bet you some people think that's Dumbledore.
Yeah.
Girl, that's a carpet. That is weird. Oh, she give me shit.
If they know Harry Potter, just Google like Dumbledore.
Yeah, it's Dumbledore.
Dumbledore.
Yeah. Professor Dumbledore.
And there's a Gryffindor. That's a place.
Yeah.
That's a, when you're there.
100%
You know how you have
that
freshmen,
Grinch.
sophomores, and stuff? It's like that.
Oh, so we're gonna have a Grinch Christmas Day instead of like everybody has to come in their best Grinch outfit and we're gonna have some games like crazy. Okay, that's what I'm gonna do. I don't want to do. I want to do the little video shows, but I want like do a Grinch because nobody ever celebrates the Grinch. He changed his heart. Alright, he did. Matter of fact, I might watch that tonight.
My shot on Grinch outfit.
How the Grinch Stole Christmas. The new one, the cartoon. I don't like the real one. He's so ew. That ain't right.
It feels so cheap. It feels cheap.
See, I don't know why they it's like they're slipping on their.
They crazy glued that together.
Not even crazy glue because it would have stayed.
Crazy glue is strong.
Girl, they put a hot glue gun. You see the glue? That's from a hot glue gun. They like very, very cheap with their stuff.
They got black stencils.
What a
Why
black
you look
man.
so weird?
Why you have to be so chocolate? Dang. And look at this Santa on his phone.
Selfie.
That is funny.
Period.
My dog.
It's a gut.
Holiday. Hold down. What I mean?
It's a dance. Hold down.
Yeah, but what?
Period. Why you like a chef?
Hey, tripping. You gotta put a little bit more oil on it. What? I need to get that from my mom. She would like that for Christmas. Oh, a s'mores maker. When I have a backyard. Put it out. I want a fire pit. That's what I really want.